Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, a Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google Partner company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now, let's move forward to the question I have today. And the question is PPC advertising for a car wash business. I have a client that operates five car wash locations that offer express wash, hand wash, and detail services. I'm wondering if PPC advertising would produce results for a business operation like this. I tend to think of this as a spontaneous demand type business. Do you have experience marketing for car wash business? Many thanks. Okay, so if you ask me, as a Google partner, yes, I do have experience of running car wash businesses, and in my opinion, there are a few suggestions which I can share with you, which can help you in advertising your car wash business on Google Ads. Also, I can label it as Google Ads. So if you ask me, yes, it's very good, and especially first of all, I highly recommend you to have your own Google business profile. You can even search on Google as well, and you can find your how you can create your Google business. These are few of the Google profiles I operate, which can help you in for instance showing your ads when someone is searching on mobile or on Google, like car wash near me, something like this. Your ad is going to be shown over here on local Google map results. This can help you very much. So for that, you need to attach your Google business profile to Google Ads. And after this, there is a few suggestions which I think first of all, target on near me keywords. Focus on your account structure, like you can have different ad groups for each, like for car wash different, for hand wash different, for express wash different, for detail services different. This can help you. Also focus on your ad optimization. I highly recommend people to create ad optimization with offers. I can show you one of the sample landing page, so you can have an idea of how this is a simple ad, but in case if you add extension on this ad is going to be very interesting. Look around, this is a very simple ad without anything, but if you add like extension like price extension, advertising rating, location extension, you can see that how amazing this ad has become. This not only this ad will increase your CTR, click through rate, but it will also increase your trust of your customers, authenticity, and more sales. So focus on these things can help you in generating more sales. Then need to optimize your landing page. People often do not look, because I have so far found that in service business people do not much care about the landing page, but they highly emphasize on getting calls. But no, I think that you need to work on your landing page as well to generate more sales. You need to work on your landing page, also see what your competitors are doing, and this can help you a lot. You can get a lot of data. For instance, we use SpyFu, but there may be different people have different in case if you get your campaigns done as, we can use this for you as well. So let's say I'm just going to give you a basic idea, but again we can do a lot of research on this as well. You can see that there are ample of searches, and I'm going to give you few of the advertisers uh, you know uh, data, so you can see how their ads are, and this can tell you. This is one of the advertiser on a general US, but these are mostly because you have to target on your locations, like target on your locations means location by radius, so people closer to you because is going to get major benefit through this, because most of the time people are not going to come far away from you, so you need to focus on close people with radius. So you have to focus on your location targeting. So do that and see what your competitors are doing, your competitors landing page, your what they are doing, and this can help you. You can see that most successful advertisers, their bids. So a lot of data can be over here as well, which can tell you about car wash. So learn from your competitors what kind of offer they are giving, how what about the service, why customer choose you over them. That is also another phenomenal of uh, convincing as a marketing. On if you are not able to convince yourself, why someone will buy from you. So look around on this as well. Do your competitors researches, and this can tell you on how you can optimize yourself. And after this you need to work. Let's say I'm just opening another competitor. While this competitor opens, I'm going to tell you also focus on your analytics tracking. This can help you. Also do retargeting, remarketing on YouTube as well. I feel that YouTube can be a very good place as well for this. And if you can offer a newsletter, so people you can remind people after 2 to 3 months, create a WhatsApp group, for your audience or customers, because this is a recurring job. People will come again and again, so cash it. And you can see how this competitor is. So focus on these things, and this can help you in optimizing. And also, once you optimize your analytics tracking, you are going to get a lot of data through which you can further optimize your campaigns and generate more revenue. So I hope I answered your question. But in case if you need a detailed audit, me and my team can definitely help you. And definitely car washes is a service business, which is a high in demand. So I highly recommend you to create an effective campaign through which you can generate sales. And in case again if you need me or my team help, we are always available for you. You can hire us through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.